Looking to upgrade your bathroom with style and functionality? The Delta Faucet Windemere Collection offers a simple way to bring elegance and order to your space. With its brushed nickel finish and sleek design, this collection promises to create a relaxed, spa-like atmosphere that feels both inviting and modern. I recently installed the Windemere towel bar and couldn't be happier with the extra space it provides. Unlike typical towel bars, this one offers more room between bars, making it easy to hang two towels without them overlapping or feeling cramped. If you've ever struggled with towels bunching up in a small space, this solves that problem effortlessly. Plus, the finish is durable and resists corrosion and tarnishing, so it keeps looking fresh over time. Beyond the towel bar, the collection includes a coordinating towel ring, toilet paper holder, and single robe hook, all designed to bring harmony and convenience to your bathroom. Installation is straightforward with included hardware and instructions, so you can upgrade your space without hassle. If you're ready to refresh your bathroom with accessories that combine style, durability, and thoughtful design, the Windemere Collection is worth a look.